So, Iqbal, give us an idea of Mumbai. What is it that you walked into? Because you also walked onto a burning deck last year. Because
Yes, sir.
last year, then the whole world's attention was on Dharavi, and after that, people started talking of Dharavi model. And this year again, it started in Maharashtra and Mumbai in a big way. And even now, there are lots of fatalities in Maharashtra, but it does look like that Mumbai has got something right. Again, touch wood and fingers crossed. But tell us a little bit about how you've done it.
Yes, sir. Sir, in fact, first of all, at the outset, I would thank you from my heart for providing me this opportunity to present our Mumbai's COVID situation right from the day one. Sir, you must be remembering that last year, the COVID started all over the country in the month of March. And by April 15, Mumbai was like the hottest spot in the country. And Dharavi was on fire. And in the first week of May, when dead bodies started appearing on the roads and road dividers and hospitals with people lying on the floors, I was suddenly thrown into this as Commissioner BMC on 8th of May. At 7 p.m. in the evening, I took charge, and my first meeting was from 7 p.m. to about midnight, same day. Although those days nobody would physically meet, I met 120 of my core team, my ward officers, deputy commissioners, assistant commissioners, joint commissioners, additional commissioners. And I said, there is no point meeting in the Zoom. I must have eyeball to eyeball contact with them, and let me tell them that we mean business now. And that evening, sir, we coined the term chase the virus. And I said, henceforth, nobody will sit hiding in his home, and we have to get out of the virus. If somebody is comorbid, some team member is of age and he has comorbidities, he can opt out of it. But once you opt in, then you will have no choice but to chase it. And then and that really became, sir, a turning point in Mumbai. Next morning, sir, within 16 hours of my joining, I entered the COVID ICUs of Sion Hospital, Nair Hospital, spent 53 minutes with COVID patient in the most infested area of COVID, ICU of COVID. And from there, sir, I went to Dharavi and did a 5-kilometer march in the containment zone there. And that was a turning point next day when 50,000 of my BMC field officers, they started coming on the roads. Earlier, everybody was hiding away, afraid of the virus. So this chase the virus became a great success. And then, sir, between 10th of May and say 20th of May, I had harrowing time, because those days, Mumbai was getting about 1,500 COVID positives every day. And this list of positives, emails would be flashed by the various testing labs to the patients around 7 p.m. When doctors were under fatigue, people were a little thake hue in the evening after office work. And suddenly then this 1,000-1,500 people and the relatives and their people on their behalf would start generating thousands of phone calls to one single control room in Mumbai. And by 8 o'clock, it will collapse, the control room. Pandemics comes once in 100 years. And first of all, when this pandemic came, all of us were unprepared. We didn't know what the word pandemic is. And in our lifetime, nobody had discussed this. We didn't even attend a single seminar or a lecture or a training how to handle a pandemic. And at least in my 32 years of service in the IAS. And the last pandemic came almost 100 years ago when the Spanish flu came. And I would admit that we didn't have enough resource base or data or a literature or a training or orientation available to us of finding a pandemic. It was like hands-on learning. So different people learned it in different ways, I would say. But now I always say, I said, there's no point in reinventing the wheel. For example, I had my batchmate in Karnataka 6 months back. She called me and she understood from me what ward war rooms are, how they're functioning, how our ambulance move, how we go to patients' home, how we carry virtually hospital bed to patients' residence and allot them there, how hospitals have been banned from allotting beds. Now, those things have been copied in Bangalore where they have ward war rooms are there. They have dashboard like ours there. The guy who made our dashboard, he went there also. Some people have copied, but you are right that it is left to the discretion of various district collectors and municipal commissioners and states. How do they react to it? Many states would say, तो हमारे तो pandemic है ही नहीं है, हमारे तो यहाँ COVID है ही नहीं है. Now, what do we tell them? For example, till 2 months back, I would get calls from my colleagues in Government of India. He said, "चल ये तुम्हारे महाराष्ट्र में इतना COVID क्यों है? बाकी इंडिया में कहीं नहीं है." And they would say, "You are in different league." They would laugh at us. Now, when somebody is laughing at us, how do I share my model with him? They would say कि whole of February until 15th, I would say end of March, Kerala and Maharashtra were the only two islands in India where your cases were coming up. We would have 60,000 cases every day. The neighboring Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat would even have 6,000. And they will, my batchmate, they would ring me up कि तुम्हारे बॉम्बे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, महाराष्ट्र में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वहाँ इतने केस क्यों आ रहे हैं? I would tell them, ऐसा ये सबका नंबर आने वाला है, be careful. I would tell them. I said, I don't have iron curtain in the state. That iron curtain is separating Nashik from Surat or Mumbai from Valsad. सब जगह आने वाला है. And I said it last year also when I just used my logic. I said last year also when the pandemic came, started with Kerala and Maharashtra, and then went to the rest of the country. And same cycle seems to be happening again, which actually happened now in a very bad manner. It is tsunami has come now. So now when the rest of the country, when we were telling them that आपके पास भी आने वाला है, and they would laugh at us कि in fact Honorable Sharad Pawar sir one day rang me. He said, "चल महाराष्ट्र में कोविड में बाकी जगह क्यों नहीं है?"
We owe a lot to the Municipal Commissioner and to the state for backing him. Thank God we have a model that hopefully will be emulated by the rest of India.